Brain injuries can change lives and families in an instant. It's important that your family members reach out to seek legal advice immediately after a brain injury occurs in an accident. If you're listening to this video, most likely one of your loved ones, your husband, a child, a wife, a parent, has been seriously injured in a car accident resulting in a traumatic brain injury. These types of injuries can seriously and significantly affect not only the person injured, but affect the family of the person injured for the rest of their lives. It isn't apparent immediately based upon a lot of traumatic brain injuries, but oftentimes what we have seen with our clients is that there are anywhere from subtle to not so subtle changes in personality. The whole dynamic of the marriage can change. The ability to work can change. So we are looking not only to make sure that you and your loved one are getting the proper medical treatment with the proper neurosurgeons if necessary, neuropsychologists oftentimes, but we're making sure that you are helping your loved one get the proper treatment so that they have the best chance of making the best improvement from their traumatic brain injury after an accident. These injuries are often lifelong. They can result in thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars in loss of earning capacity over your loved one's lifetime. And it oftentimes takes a toll on the family. So it's extremely important. There are a lot of things, a lot of advances have been made in the treatment of traumatic brain injuries in the last 5 to 10 years. And it's extremely important that you talk with an attorney who's familiar with representing people with traumatic brain injuries, and we can get you to the proper doctors so that you can get the proper treatment and therapies to help your loved one get back to normal as soon as possible. If you have any other questions regarding a family member who has suffered a traumatic brain injury in an accident, please give us a call. I'd be happy to answer any other questions you may have.